I think just in general, diabetes loves routine. Um, I think though we can do ourselves a disservice by saying we have to stay in our little box. So I think with all things, fitness is also a great example of that. I think if we focus on building that foundation, understanding the basics, right? So in accounting, it's understanding, how to read your financials and what are those basics. In T1D, it's learning how to read those reports. In fitness, it's learning those basic movements, right? And then you can start kind of graduating or building on top of those things. So when we have a foundation to revert back to, I think it allows us to step out of the box. And so if our routine is a little bit off balance, or maybe a lot off balance, maybe we're traveling or we've just been thrown some really weird things that day in our world, we can go back to the basics. I find that there shouldn't be any fear in logic. So when we have a good set of basic skills that we've developed, our natural instincts kind of kick in and we know what to do, and we shouldn't fight ourselves on those really.